It's back and it's bigger than ever. Eckrich has brought back their popular Road to the National Championship sweepstakes. Eckrich randomly selected a winner to make a 15-yard throw for 1 million big ones ahead of the upcoming college football national championship. And it's all happening on January 7th in Santa Clara, California. In honor of the Eckrich $1 million challenge and the upcoming national championship game, I'm creating the perfect game day dishes using all of Eckrich smoked sausage. Trust me, these are guaranteed to be crowd pleasers. From classic game day favorites like pigs in a blanket to buffalo smoked sausage dip to comfort food that's winning every single time, Eckrich gives you a protein kick and a powerhouse of flavor. Some of my personal favorites: Southern-style mac and cheese and mini smoked sausage pizza rounds. And one skillet suppers make entertaining easy and hassle-free with all of the delicious done for you, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time watching the big game. With a wide variety of flavors and forms, including rope and links, Eckrich smoked sausage is naturally hardwood smoked and crafted with just the right blend of spices for a truly rich, savory taste. Tune in on January 7th for the 2019 National Championship pregame coverage as hosts Marty Smith and Kirk Herbstreit cheer on another lucky fan attempting the 15-yard line throw for $1 million. And be sure to catch Kirk Herbstreit's throw with the help of Eckrich. He has a chance to win money for a great cause, Extra Yard for Teachers. Be sure to visit EckrichFootball.com to learn more.